G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Okay, I've been after a water bottle that'll fit comfortably in my shoulder strap pocket here for the hydration. I've done a couple of walks and I was using this one here, which is a 550ml, this one is, but the bottom is just over 7 centimeters. I think it's about 73 millimeters, and I wanted something around the 65. This does go in, but you've got to give it a bit of a push and a twizzle, I think, to get it in comfortably. So I ended up going out and buying the Mountain Designs Flip Water Bottle, 500ml, or your half a litre, and it comes in a grey, and that's the only colour they had, which is lucky because I didn't want blue or any others. Now let's go through the specs of this. It is 100% BPA free Triton plastic. So it's not the lightest, it's not the heaviest. And getting on to the weight of it, it is 140 grams, they say. So I measured it, or should I say I weighed it, and I'll do it again. Now this is with the strap on it and the plastic loop that fits around the top. And that weighs 136 grams. So already it's 4 grams lighter. But with the actual strap and loop off, it comes in at 129 grams. So not much lighter, but that's smidgen. Now I don't need these on because they're going in my chest pockets. They're not going to be on the side, I'm going to have to pull them out. Now this plastic is quite supple, so once you start getting it over the first lip of the bottle, you can just work your way around with your thumb whilst holding here, and it does pop off. So let's see if I can do it now. Let's take this off, make it easier. So there's it. I don't know if you can see, it's started coming off. I'm just working my finger around with it. And it's off. So very little weight gain by taking these off, but that's okay. Screw on lid. Measurements are 23 centimeters, or your 230 millimeters, by 6.5 centimeters, or 65 millimeters. They say it's a durable shatter resistant Triton plastic with leak-proof lid on it, stain resistant, dishwasher safe. It's got a flip top lid with a push button which just spring up, and so you don't accidentally knock that, you've got a little lock which goes over and clicks into place, and now no matter how much you push it, it's not coming up. Unclip it straight up, and you breathe a hole here. You've got another point on the lid which has got that rubber or the silicone which actually fits into that hole to stop the leak proofing or stop the leaking. And again you've got another silicone which goes on the actual mouthpiece, so leak proof. No straw in it, it's just the sippy bit. So I hope you can see that on the camera. Can't get it any closer or else it won't be in focus. It's got integrations on the back or on the side, or whichever way you hold it. All the way from the bottom, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500 with a smidgen little bit over there. And if you go in ounces, it goes by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 ounces. Quality wise, it feels good. You know, you get some and they just feel cheap, let's say, but it's got a bit of give if you give it a squeeze, but there's nothing major give on it, just a slight give. So there's one for each of the pockets. So let's get the backpack on. Let's get it all done up so everything's in its right place. Let's get that around the right way. Now what I have been doing is only carrying the one water bottle, and I've had my phone in here. So now I can go 1, nice and easy, 2, nice and easy, and with them being the 500mm, they're not as tall or not too tall. I have tried some and they've been up here, which to me is a bit of a pain. Now I do have on order 2 1 litre pouches, let's say, to use in the side pockets, and you'll see them in a couple of weeks when they arrive. I have seen similar to this, a lot lighter, near enough over 90 grams lighter, let's say, but at the moment these will do the job. Give it a bit of a pull, so they're nice and secure in there now. They're not pushing out the pockets too far. There's still room in there still. So when I'm walking, I'm not going to be rubbing, they're not in the way. I'm going to get it out, back in nice and easy, out, back in nice and easy. So short and sweet video. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please go down below and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell next to it and select all, and hit the thumbs up button. I nearly forgot that. And if you are already a subscriber, again I thank you very much. The mounting design, flip water bottle 500 in grey.